The business trade lines are back. We are now offering business trade lines by popular demand. Business trade lines are the ideal way, the most fastest way to get large funding for your business in a quick pace. These lines can be purchased, put on your EIN number, and allow you to get funding up to $200,000 to $300,000 to expand your business, buy equipment, cover payroll, whatever needs you need for your business. These lines are ideal to helping you do that. We do daily webinars now explaining how these business trade lines can help you and what kind of trade lines you may need to post on your EIN number. To find out more information, go to our website at platinumtradelines.com. Go to Boost My Credit, then you would actually register for our webinar here. Right here, buy business trade lines, and put your information here, and then we will send you a link for our daily webinar. I think it's 1 o'clock at 5 Eastern, but it'll be in your email, the detail. Then we do a one-on-one and go into even more detail how these trade lines can help you expand, grow, and improve your business. If you have any questions, you always call us, 202-213-2218, or go to the link here. I'll provide in the description box to sign up for the webinar at our website at platinumtradelines.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be putting out business tips on a regular basis. Hit the like button. Have a great day.